Some people believe that mindfulness is a technique. Some also say that it is a basic human ability. Mindfulness is to be in the moment, to feel what is happening around you with your sense organs. Mindfulness can be accessed anytime while doing anything. Because of increase in stress levels, there is also an increase in various mental health illnesses. So many people fail to be mindful while doing their simple everyday tasks. It is important to feel your surrounding, to smell your environment, to feel every sound that is produced around you. Some are also so caught up in their thoughts that it takes away their every opportunity to be mindful in the situation. To practice mindfulness, you can practice meditation. Start with shorter time periods and eventually increase the time. Practice with guided meditation if you find it difficult to do it on your own. Do it every day and start to notice difference in your experiences. Some people also do yoga asanas to improve their mindfulness. If you don't get enough time to do yoga or do meditation, you can just do a simple mindful technique. It can be done in 2 minutes and it is very simple grounding technique and it is very helpful when you feel anxious and you feel caught up in your thoughts. You can tell 5 things that you can see in your surrounding, 4 things that you can feel, 3 things that you can hear, 2 things that you can smell, and 1 thing that you can taste. What this technique does is it takes you from where you are mentally and brings you back to your physical environment. And if you find this technique helpful, there are so many breathing exercises that you can do to improve your mindfulness. One such exercise is sit back straight, concentrate on your breathing, feel the air going into your lungs, and exhale. Concentrate on your breathing for at least 2 minutes. It is very helpful in uplifting your mood and bringing you back to your environment where you're physically present. Practicing mindfulness not only improves your mental health, but it also improves the quality of your life in so many other ways. It makes your life experiences more fulfilling and more satisfying. I hope you liked the video and you start incorporating mindfulness in your everyday life in any way possible. I will come up with more such content and I will see you in my next video. Till then,